How to glow your art, like this. First open IbisPaint X application, then click My Gallery tab, then click plus icon. Click on Import Picture option. Choose your drawing, which you want to glow. Now click Cancel option. Click that one option. Now click plus icon. Now go First Eye option. Then click on Background, Color White option, and change into black color. Took your background percentage into below 50%. Click again to get another layer, so click plus icon, and go to first layer. Now click brush icon, and click brush icon again. Choose Airbrush Normal, and take thickness 1000 OPX. Click color option. Adjust color which you want to apply. Choose color and choose that color slide part, like I've chosen. Now choose Airbrush Normal. And choose your light color. Now see how I'm applying it into my drawing. Now click brush icon, then click pen fade option. And adjust thickness according, like how I apply. And choose dark part of your chosen color. Now apply it in your drawing. Now change color for eyeball. I choose dark blue color, and now applying. Always choose darker color for eyeballs. Now click on color icon and adjust color to apply to upper side of eyes. Now apply it on drawing. Now add another layer by clicking plus icon. Click on fourth layer and go to the lighten and click add option. Click brush icon and again click brush icon. Now choose airbrush triangle and adjust color. Now apply it on drawing. Choose eraser. Erase the light color, which goes to eyeball. Now choose blur option, using brush tab. Now blur the eyeballs. Now change blur option into brush. Add some lights outside of eyes area.
There's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Now, choose pen fade brush option. Now applying on nose. Also apply glow on nearby eye areas.
Feel like a dynamite, ready
Now click on one option and click on fourth layer and apply glow effect on lips. It's so light color, so I pointed to dark part. Now applying. Now pointed color to white part and applying on lips. Also applying on eyes. Editing is done for now. Now click Brush tab and choose Filter option. Then choose Hue Saturation Lightness option and adjust according to your editing. After adjusting, click Right option. Now click on this option, then click Arrow option and Save Image option and click JPEG and OK option. Go to your gallery and see your edited image. Thank you for watching.